Hello everyone and welcome to our accounting information system project. This project is based on Amazon.com. Group name J, group members Anwar Hassan, Roshan Taba, Dam Van Dong, Niaz Mansour, Al Hassan Abdul Salam. Let's go through short but impressive history of Amazon.com. By considering itself a completely customer-centric company, they improve their customer-centric innovation every year while concentrating in three main steps: select, order, and receive. Customers are first priority for Amazon, and through their customer-centric innovation, they ensure they receive a positive feedback and are given excellent service every time by adding value. In July 1994, Amazon was founded, spurred by what Bezos refers to as his regret minimization framework. After 1 year, they introduced customer reviews to enhance the select step. In September 1997, one-click ordering is automatically enabled on your account when you place your first order on Amazon.com and enter a payment method and shipping address. And they also provide recommendation and bundles. In August 2000, announces Toys R Us Alliance launches Amazon.France. Toys R Us is a toy store chain based in United States, Canada, Australia, the Netherlands, South Africa, Hong Kong, India, and the United Kingdom. In 2007, Amazon offered a new innovative product, Kindle. Kindle, a device which at your fingertips can download and make available to a customer. Amazon.com now have varieties of products, selling more Kindle ebooks than printed books. Amazon Web Services become popular and is used by many companies from big to small ones. Amazon and more than 2 million third-party sellers offer millions of unique, new, refurbished, and used items in categories such as books, movies, garden tools, and etc. The reasons why Amazon succeeded in the e-commerce business are three main business models and the mission to be the Earth's most customer-centric company. The first model, large production selection. Digital enables limitless inventory. In 15 years, Amazon went from one category, books, to 16 main categories, using computerized supply chain, an impressive supply chain and distribution network. They have increased their number of warehouses from one garage for 400 square feet to 50 fulfillment centers with 26 million square feet. The second model is customer care model. Digital boosts customer care. If you do great experience, customers will teach each other about that. Word of word of mouth is very powerful, Jeff Bezos said. Amazon is known as most convenient online shopping website. With one-click ordering and the simple steps of buying product, select, order, and receive, recommendations also take a vital part of Amazon customer care system. It brings 40% of the Amazon revenue each year. And the final model is low price model. Digital allows high margin, lowest price. Amazon, with all digital-based company, provides an incredible low cost of infrastructures as a pure layer. Amazon leverages its digital advantage to optimize its supply chain. According to a recent research, a product usually stays 33 days in Amazon shelf instead of around 70 days in Best Buy's one. Therefore, it increases Amazon cash flow following by maximizing its margins. Besides from these business models, Amazon also chases a variety kind of business models as they grow bigger. The premium model with Amazon Prime, the online content business model with Amazon Web Service.
The role of information system in Amazon.com. The face of the e-business has been changed dramatically in recent years, making life easier to both customers and suppliers by information system. The selling and purchase of goods and services can be done easily through internet. It's matter of mostly draw attention to three departments of business, which are marketing, production, and finance. Firstly, marketing. For Amazon, this department has helped to devise more effective marketing campaign based on ability of recording personal details of the customers who register before purchasing a certain product or service, and enabling the Amazon to track their customers and help in upselling more of their products. Second is finance, which records the sales of the product in an online transaction. It enables the Amazon to check and approve the credit of the customer before proceeding any further of purchase. Profitability analysis and annual budgeting can be conducted by these records. And thirdly, production, which is very important for any company to keep the right amount of stock in the warehouse to minimize and control any kind of cost related to the stock. And Amazon makes a sensible use of the information system to keep the right amount of stock as required. Now moving on to the management system of Amazon, we have supply chain management system and customer relationship management system. Firstly, let's go to supply chain management system. Price selection and ability has been the core ingredients in terms of success of Amazon, which depend on the supply chain management system. The system tracks inventory and information among business processes and across companies. The effective advantage of this is the customer learns the estimate time for arrival of his product, which, and, which is achieved through an immediate communication. Drop shipping is a supply chain management technique where the retailer passes the customer's order and shipment details to other manufacturers or wholesalers. Moving on to the customer relationship management system, which uses information about customers to gain insight into their needs, wants, and behaviors so they can be served better. Being customer centric company, the customer relation that Amazon maintains is vital for the growth and success of the company. Now moving on to the interesting feature of Amazon, which is also called Amazon Cloud. The online selling store does not only merchandise tangible items but intangible as well. The service provided by Amazon through cloud to store file data, music, videos and photos for the customers has certainly increased the market share of the company. There are three types of Amazon Cloud, which are Elastic Compute Cloud, Simple Storage Service, and Mechanical Trunk. Amazon is Amazon has a dynamic website than any other e-commerce business. As a customer-centric company, Amazon has a website which is very artistically laid out and has many features which allows customers to make decisions as well as the best experience. The heart of the buying lies in the Amazon dynamic website. This is the homepage for Amazon.com. In this page, we have search box where a customer can look for any desired product. To the right hand side of search box, we have login button, cart, and wish list. Moving on to the customer account, the customer can check his or her order, check their payment as well as change the setting and personal details of them in this page. The product page is where you can find the details information about the product, and after you choose the desired product you want to buy, you can add the product to the basket list with necessary accessories or also make it as a gift if you want. Below the product information, we have recommended products of similar types and feedbacks and reviews from the customers.
Our ER diagram shows how the entities of Amazon.com connected to attributes. Customer makes an order. Order have an order details. Order contain one or many products. Each product comes from category. Suppliers supply product. Each product has many reviews. At the order, they will be payment. After Amazon receive their payment, they will ship the product. The entity relationship is based on the ER diagram, so they are related to each other. This is a sample database of how Amazon.com stores their database, as you can see from the slide above. The first one is category table with some attributes: category ID, category name, and category description. The other one is customer table, which have order table as a sub data. The customer contains many attributes: first name, last name, address line 1, address line 2, city, region, country, postcode, contact number, and email. And the last one is the product table, which has many attributes as well: product ID, category ID, order ID, product name, product description, unit price, stock, size, color, weight, origin, manufacturer, and ranking.
Ledger account. Ledger account is the most used business planning tools, enabling the company to monitor and track peers. Amazon uses dual aspect or double entry concept of accounting for recording transactions to ensure all accounts are accurate and up to date. This requires the amount to be balanced, meaning that debit must equal credit. When a customer makes an order, their accounts are debited, and as they are paying to Amazon, and sales ledger of Amazon are credited to so the sales are made to the customers. As soon as the product is dispatched, the bank account of Amazon is debited and the customer account are balanced out. Hence, there is debit entry in the bank account and credit in the sales ledger.
As we can see now, we have the sales report. This sales report is extracted from Access. The first sales report is sale by date, and the other one is the sale by product. At the end, we want to thank you for listening, and we hope you enjoyed our project.